Hello friend, welcome to Tuxopedia. My name is Rahul. Today we are going to discuss about the cotton impurities. Now let me start. First of all, we will discuss about fiber impurities. So friends, any foreign material other than fiber is classified as impurities. Not only the quality and the price of the fiber depend upon the amount of impurities present in the fibers. Generally, impurities must be removed during the spinning process, so the type and the amount of impurities is also important to the yarn manufacturer. Greater the impurities are, more effort have to put into remove it. The removal of impurities also result in the loss of useful fiber. Type of impurities in cotton. Friends, there are two types of impurities present in cotton. First is impurities in raw cotton and second is impurities in processed cotton. In this slide we are discussing impurities in raw cotton. Seed impurities is largest type of impurities present in raw cotton and it include ungined seeds with fiber attached to it. Chaff. The chaff is the vegetable fragment, most of them consisting of leaf, particles, bract, sac and stalk. Bract is the form of a small leaf growing beneath the cotton ball. Dirt. The dirt impurity includes soil and sand particles that may be added from the cotton field due to mishandling of the fiber. The cotton fiber pick up dust and sand if they are transported by open truck and other vehicle. Microdust. The microdust include very fine particle of chaff, dirt, small fiber, fragments and spore of mildew. They generally get embedded around the natural wax of cotton fiber. Trash. The trash is applied to all of these impurities present in the raw cotton. The total trash content of cotton fiber range from 1 to 10% of the total weight of the cotton fiber. The amount of trash content directly determines the amount of cleaning required in the spinning process. Abnormal impurities. The abnormal impurities are very rare, however, when found in the cotton fibers, they can be cause of serious problems. These impurities include pieces of stone, pieces of iron, cloth fragments, foreign fiber such as jute, small pieces of woods and polypropylene. These can be included at the time of bagging or opening the bale. Grease and oil come at the time of harvesting on ginning. Tar and coal comes at the time of transportation of fiber. Impurities in processed cotton. The main impurities in processed cotton are naps, seed coat and non-seed impurities. Naps and white specks are imperfections that severely decrease cotton quality. Naps are entanglements of clamps of immature fiber that produce imperfection when woven into fabric. At the time of dyeing, presence of naps in the cotton, the dye uptake is very poor due to light spot or white specks scattered randomly throughout dyed fabric. Seed coat fragments are pieces of seed or mote coat with fiber attached that were broken or crushed during the cotton processing. You can see here in the image immature and mature cotton fiber, and you can easily differentiate between the mature and immature cotton fiber. This is the cross-sectional view of the cotton fiber. Motes are the main source of the immature fiber, fiber cluster or seed coat fragments. Removal of impurities. Friends, in this slide we will discuss how to remove the impurities. The removal of impurities is associated with the opening of the fiber and is carried out in stages during the spinning process. Initially, the impurities are removed in the blow room. Here, the opening of the large tuft of fiber into the small tufts. The further, at the carding machine, due to fiber separation and more impurities are removed. The blow room mostly remove the seed and chaff, and the carding remove microdust. Greater the impurities present in the fiber, more opening and cleaning is required. However, with more serve, opening and cleaning, expensive fiber can be damaged or they can be lost during the process. so that we have to keep in mind how much beating is required at the time of cleaning. So friend, I hope you liked the video. Please comment and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in next video.